September 16th is the grand finale for 2023. After that, the season of biological warfare will be upon us. Make plans to be at Union Temple Baptist Church, Washington, D.C., Saturday, September 16th, 2023. Doors open at 10 a.m. Delicious plant-based soul food and dessert from food activist Dr. Ruby Lathan, and my keynote lecture for the grand finale, Tuskegee 2023 Part 3, the weaponization of food against the Black community. Woo! Get your tickets now. theministerofwellness.com under health seminars, or call or text 888-847-8026. That's 888-847-8026. Tiger nut flour is gluten-free, good. Grain-free, good. Nut-free, that's good too. Dairy-free alternative to highly processed all-purpose flour. Okay, so we don't want to do all-purpose flour. And then most of these grains, remember, I've done a video telling you all that even organic grains and breads are now contaminated with glyphosate. And even if it's not contaminated, even if it's the Ezekiel 4:9, I'm not saying that you never have to. So I'm not going to make that statement. I'm just telling you, I'm just talking about when you start moving up the chain of the medicine foods of God. If you're trying to go for the highest level of his medicine foods, to be honest with you, you don't need bread. You don't. That don't mean that you can't. You just don't. Meaning there's always a higher level of consumption. And the highest levels of consumption is those highly alkaline, electric fruit vegetables, berries, melons, your squashes, your green beans, your watery leafy greens, your sprouted beans, all greens, all beans, all onions, all mushrooms, all berries and seeds are not created equal. That's what I'm saying. And in the future, I'll be going into detail. I'll probably end up sometime next year, prayerfully here on the YouTube channel, doing the third revision of the power of the G-bombs. Okay, so the tiger nut is actually not a nut. It's a tuber similar like sweet potatoes, though much smaller in size. It gets its name because it has stripes that resembles a tiger stripes. And it has health and nutritional benefits similar to yams. Okay, similar to yams. And again, you can make it into a flour if need be for pies and so forth. It's just a healthier alternative. Tiger nuts have been scientifically found to support digestive function because it is very high in fiber and it has prebiotic capacity to improve gut health. It supports healthy cardiovascular function. Okay. So it can help manage your blood pressure and keep your blood vessels healthy and good circulation. Strengthens the immune system. Did you know that? Because it contains antioxidants such as vitamin C, E, and oleic acid, helping to protect the body from disease. And it has bacteria fighting effects. Supports sensible weight management goals. The reason why is because those healthy fats will make you feel fuller. Okay, so again, the goal is that remember, we're just moving higher up on the chain. We need to get away from these regular flours and these grain-based flours and start moving. Now we're moving up to different type of flours that are simply just healthier. That's what this is about. And the tiger nut is an excellent step in a healthier direction because we should always be learning, always be evolving, especially in a time like this where disease is being manufactured on purpose. The fundraiser, brothers and sisters, the 40% off everything fundraiser, we're downsizing. We're undergoing a tremendous downsizing as a ministry. So it's too long for me to go over the 33 of the herbal extracts are going to be going away permanently. So I highly suggest you go there. And I have also to give a little bit of an extra benefit for the next 10, 11 days until everything is gone, because this downsizing is going to take place within a week. Free shipping is now available. theministerofwellness.com, theministerofwellness.com. Go ahead and get what you need. I know the pre-diabetes, a bunch of different ones on skin. Quite a few things are going. The anti-cancer herbal extract is going. Quite a few things. A massive downsizing. So blowout sale / fundraiser. Everything must go. If it's not, then it's going out of stock permanently. They will not be available. So take advantage. So free shipping has now been added to the fundraiser, brothers and sisters. Help the ministry out. We need to get the funds for the missionary trips that we have planned, and a host of other things that we need to get taken care of as a ministry. And the downsizing will help us with consolidating a lot of expenses. So take advantage and go there and shop up with the herbal extracts and so forth of what you need. theministerofwellness.com. Thank you in advance for your support. Don't forget to subscribe to the Celebrity Health News channel.